Hello, everybody. Welcome back to week 2 of online physical education for Corvallis Schools. We're going to go through our learning targets from last week. If you cannot do these, make sure you go back and review the lesson so you can answer these learning targets. I can list 3 benefits of physical exercise. I can explain how much physical activity is needed each week, and if you don't do that, you got to make sure you do. And I can name the chemical release during physical activity. That makes me happy. It's amazing. So if you do not understand any of these targets, go back and review. Lesson 2 from Corvallis Online PE is benefits of exercise. What are we learning? We're learning what are the mental and physical benefits of exercise. Why are we learning? So you just understand why you should exercise. Why is it important? And then how will you know if you've learned this? Well, 1, you can list 2 physical benefits of physical exercise. You can list 2 mental benefits of physical exercise. Now, there's 4 of each of these, so you only have to name 2. And the last one is I can recognize the 4 parts of successful exercise. And we talked about this last week, so this should be pretty easy. When you watch the video, remember our two learning targets, not the last one, but the first 2. You click on this link and it will take you to the video. After you're done with the video, you're going to spell your name. Spell your first and your last name using this chart. This chart will be available for you on the handout that you get from your webpage. Now, after you've worked out, you're going to ask these 4 questions. These are the 4 things I'm talking about. Do you breathe heavier? Is your heart beating faster? Are you hot and sweaty? Is your temperature increased? And are your muscles tired? Get those muscles tired. Okay. After you're done, you got to be able to answer these 3 questions. How do we know? Well, I can list 2 physical benefits of physical exercise. I can list 2 mental benefits of physical exercise. And I can recognize the 4 parts of successful exercise, which we just talked about. These are your learning targets. So if you accomplish this, you have done what is asked. So great job. If you have any questions, again, contact your online teacher or contact me here at Corvallis Schools. Have a great day.